পার্ক হোটেলে অনুষ্ঠিত হলো বর্ন অন ইনস্টাগ্রাম লঞ্চ ইন কলকাতা অনুষ্ঠান। এই অনুষ্ঠানে উপস্থিত ছিলেন মনীষ চোপড়া, মুখ্য পার্টনার ফেসবুক ইন্ডিয়া, একে ওয়ান্ডার মুন্না, ইন্দ্রাণী বিশ্বাস, জনপ্রিয় নায়িকা ঋতুভরী চক্রবর্তী। পার্ক হোটেল থেকে শৈবাল সরকারের রিপোর্ট, কোলফিল্ড টাইমস, কলকাতা।
দুজন একসাথে হবে না?
হবে হবে ইন্দ্রাণী, তুমি 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 হ্যাঁ এই লেখাটা নিয়ে চাই। না 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 একসাথে, ওটা বড় হয়ে
একসাথে একসাথে
হ্যাঁ একসাথে। এই ইন্দ্রাণী ইন্দ্রাণী হ্যাঁ একদম আরেকটু সরে এসো।
বাহ দারুণ দারুণ
বেস্ট
সুন্দর।
এই ওই জায়গাটায়
এইটা থাকাবে দুজন একসাথে।
একটু ওই ওখানে আসলে ভালো হয়। ওই আগে
কোথায় ঠিকই তো আছে। এদিকে তো খেতে পারি।
বাহ দারুণ। দুজন একসাথে হবে না?
হবে হবে ইন্দ্রাণী, তুমি 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 হ্যাঁ এই লেখাটা নিয়ে চাই। না 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 একসাথে, ওটা বড় হয়ে
একসাথে একসাথে
হ্যাঁ একসাথে। এই ইন্দ্রাণী ইন্দ্রাণী হ্যাঁ একদম আরেকটু সরে এসো।
বাহ দারুণ দারুণ
বেস্ট
সুন্দর।
এই ওই জায়গাটায়
এইটা থাকাবে দুজন একসাথে।
একটু ওই ওখানে আসলে ভালো হয়। ওই আগে
কোথায় ঠিকই তো আছে।
ইন্দ্রাণী রাইট।
স্টেট দেখো।
হয়ে যায়, নিয়ে নাও নিয়ে।
স্যার প্লিজ রাইট।
থ্যাংক ইউ।
ইন্দ্রাণী রীতাবরী একসাথে।
স্টেট 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 স্টেট
Thank you so much.
এইখানে সরে এসো।
Thank you.
রিতাবরী রিতাবরী এইখানটা এসো।
Just give us 2 minutes.
একটা সিগন্যালটা একটা সরো লেখাটা।
সম্পূর্ণ সময় এবং অ্যাটেনশনটা দিতে পারি। ছবি তুলি বন্ধুদের সাথে বেরোলে কিন্তু ইমিডিয়েটলি ইনস্টাগ্রামে পোস্ট করি না, তার কারণ ওই সময় বন্ধুদের সাথে থাকা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। আই পুট ইট দ্য নেক্সট মর্নিং 9 to 10 বা ওই ইভিনিংয়ের মধ্যে। সো অ্যাজ মাচ অ্যাজ ইট হ্যাজ হেল্পড আস টু গ্রো অ্যান্ড ইট ইজ হেল্পিং আস টু বিল্ড আওয়ার ওন community, let's not forget the actual community we also have, not in the virtual world like next to us. Like right now it's Wanda, Manna and Manish with us.
Absolutely.
And I'm speaking also, like, you know, the thank you part, I'm also speaking on behalf of her, because thank you is common, and it's phenomenal how you have actually considered two women from actually very different kind of content that we create to come on board and speak about Instagram. That's phenomenal. Thank you for that. That kind of shows you women power also we have, not just in the state, also in the heart we have in the entertainment business. Instagram, when it came, like when I saw the app for the first time, it was a storyboard of images. And before that we already had Facebook, which was very very popular, which still is one of the most powerful, strong social media platform, and both are interconnected. But where Instagram won our heart was the part where if you like a picture, if you like someone's content, you can only give a heart. You can't dislike it, you can't laugh at it, you can ignore it if you want, but the only way you can actually show your support to another image or another personality or another person was only through a heart. That's where Instagram won my heart to begin with. And like every picture tells 1,000 stories. Even if we don't have the time to write down what we are feeling, jot it down in words, every person's perception, how they want to express themselves became much simpler. Because it was just an image. What I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to convey became as simple as an image. And I think which is why foodgrams are so famous, because for a lot of people that's what means everything. They like the idea that food takes such a major part in their life and their happiness. And today this many years and with 1.5 million followers on Instagram, all I can say is I have built my own community, my own gram. In Bengali, in gram means a village.
Yeah.
So we all have our own little gram and village where we have our own community who we have come together strong, and I have done incredible work with the people who is following me, supporting me, there with me on Instagram to make a real difference in the society, from giving 2,700 kids their first pair of shoes to now breaking the taboo regarding periods, and so on and so forth. So which is why not just sharing idea about my next movie and what my new fashion update is, my travel, it is literally who I am in pictures and videos. So Instagram is my digital version who sometimes has a lot more to express than what I can in my real life.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I think that was really wonderful.
Yeah, fine.
Wonder Munna.
Munna, yeah.
What did Instagram mean for you? How do you express through Instagram? Love to hear your thoughts.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to say that both Instagram and I have grown together, I guess. Like, it's like a sibling. Like, first of all, when I used to make videos, I was very, I didn't know how to do it. And with Instagram, how Instagram grew over the years, I have grown. So it's literally like we are a family. And when it comes to Instagram, I'm real. I can make rotis there, which I don't make on any other platforms. I don't usually do my hair like this. I have frizzy hair, and on Instagram, I have a video recently, if you can go see, I have this frizzy hair, and I have all atta and maida all over me, and I'm making rotis on Roti Maker, which is a disaster. And people are loving that. So it's a platform where I can be the real Munna, the real me. So I love it, and I think there's a long way to go for both of us, for both Instagram and me, to grow together.
Thank you so much. No, that's a very nice way of putting it. I think over the years, you've seen, as you mentioned, Instagram growing with you. You've seen that we've come up with new things, right? Instagram TV, going more than the feed, stories, being able to create multiple new features for you as creators, but also for your followers to be able to interact with you, right? What have been your real, the ones that you really enjoyed and loved, and you really felt that they were useful for you, between stories, TV?
Okay, I'm going first, but just a question to my friends in media here. Should I continue in English? No, English
Please.
mishiye bolbo.
Banglish koro.
Banglish kari? Korle better? I just wanted to know because I know there's all kind of media here and we're in Kolkata.
Thank you.
So I'm going to mix it up. আমি মিশিয়েই বলছি। আমার সবথেকে পছন্দের feature, my favorite feature is the stories. There's this question answer you can do in stories. প্রশ্ন উত্তর করা যায়, পোল করা যায়, and আমি সবথেকে যে প্রশ্ন উত্তরগুলো করা পছন্দ করি সেগুলো হচ্ছে যে ধর একটা ছবি রিলিজ করছি সামনে, I put up the idea of the film and what do you guys think, what makes you curious more about so and so, and আমার ভালো লাগে অনেক সময় when people come up that what they are going through, ওরা কি ফিল করলো through the film। আমার মনে হয় না এর আগের আমাদের generation, when we had really fantastic film and actors as well, they had that access to get direct response from audience, which we have today. আজকের দিনে আমি সত্যি সাধারণ মানুষের কাছে যদি প্রশ্ন উত্তর খুলে দিই, আমাকে পেপার খুলে দেখতে হয় না যে মানুষ শুধু অডিয়েন্স মানে ছবিটা পছন্দ করছে কি করছে না, করলে কেন করছে, না করলে কেন করছে না। It is so simple that way, and আমি like I said, I have carried out some initiatives through my Instagram social media account, and সেখানে যদি আমি দেখতে না পেতাম যে মানুষ কি করে সাপোর্ট করছে, কি করে they wanna come on board for a cause, I would not know that people in Bengal have such big heart to come out and do things. So I would say it's my stories. আমি ওই প্রশ্ন উত্তরগুলো অনেক করি, ask me anything you want or ask me stuff related to films, and I have done it multiple times, and I think it's my favorite feature of Instagram.
Wonderful.
So, আমিও বাংলিশ করছি kind of, but the thing is, when it comes to Instagram, as I said, this is the real me. So the real me is also sometimes can be the Gyani, agony aunt. I give advices to all of my friends from like when I was in class 6, I used to behave like I am in class 12 and I know more than you all. So when it came to Instagram, I thought, why not make that happen in Instagram? I used to post like that feature. You can post questions. You can ask me questions. I used to say, ask me questions about yourself, about your affairs, about what is going wrong with you, what's happening in your life, and I can give you advice for free. And